good afternoon. So welcome to Arnav Vlogs after a long time of 2 weeks. So today there is a surprise. So we are going to a place जो शायद 5 साल के स्टे में मैं पहली बार जा रही हूँ. And it's because of this woman who is sitting just besides me. उसके चक्कर में मैं जा रही हूँ. But मैंने सोचा कि I'll take you guys over there. And basically आज Arnav Vlogs में Arnav won't be there because of some professional commitment. He is not here. But I thought कि उसके जगह I'll be doing the same. So be with me guys. Next thing will be there and वहाँ जाके मैं बताऊंगी इस बार कि वो exactly क्या है. And it's too hot. You can see it right over my face. It's already hot. Okay. So guys, finally we are here. It's called the Aggression Ki Baoli. It's called Aggression Ki Baoli. So we are basically going inside and let's see how it is. So basically guys, the history के बारे में यहाँ के जो भैया है, he is going to tell us. So let's hear it properly what this is famous for basically.
अब वो सब वही हुआ है, जैसे पानी होता था पहले, राजा उग्रसेन ने इसको बनाया था, इसलिए फेमस है.
So guys, this place was basically used like an air conditioner during the royal times. Who was the king's name was Ugrasen. It was Ugrasen was the name of the king. So it was used like an air conditioner. तो मैंने कहीं पे सुना था and यहाँ के भैया से पूछने पे पता चला कि basically this place is like यहाँ पे staircase इस way में बनाया गया था. Please ignore the voice behind. Okay, so यहाँ पे basically staircase it was made in such a way that the air used to flow downwards and then वो पानी को touch करके ऊपर की तरफ आता था जिससे ये महल बहुत ठंड हो जाती थी. And they used to the queens used to have cool breeze and all over here. So basically this was it and we were expecting कि आज crowd बहुत कम होगा but unfortunately इतने लेट आने के बावजूद भी crowd is too much. So let's see the place. Come guys. So it's basically Aggression Ki Baoli and I'm sitting here and I'm very disappointed क्योंकि लोग हमें शूट करने नहीं दे रहे अच्छे से. हर टाइम they are coming into our frames. However, doesn't matter. पीछे कौन बैठा है? True. So basically, first of all, I'm missing you, Arnav. So this is what we came for. Basically, you can see that there is some pani नीचे but I can't see any pani, to be very honest. And it is actually cold. अगर इस ज़माने में it is being cold, so you can just make it out how cold it would be at that point. Global warming का effect नहीं था, so it was really good. उस टाइम पे नहीं था. उस टाइम पे तो कितना ठंडा होगा, जस्ट इमेजिन, बिकॉज इट इज़ एक्चुअली ठंडा हियर. एंड आई थिंक समर में क्राउड ज़्यादा हो जाता है क्योंकि इट्स वेरी ठंडा आउट हियर. एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेस फॉर कपल्स, बिकॉज आई कैन सी ऑल कपल्स आउट हियर. सो लेट्स सी, बिकॉज as much as I am making video, people are coming into my frame. They are interrupting a lot, but however, let's see क्या होता है. थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे देखते हैं हम लोग. He had to hurdle a lot. मुझे और सुबी को बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ उठानी पड़ी to just get that shot. Still, it was a small छोटू सा बावली. Guys, we are done after an hour and हमें बहुत मुश्किल से कुछ photographs मिले. And सुबी को especially @the_brown_lie. You can follow her in Instagram, guys. So हमें बहुत मुश्किल से फ़ोटोज़ मिले, but still we enjoyed. And actually to save yourself from some electricity charges, you can come over here to save yourself from Delhi summer, क्योंकि यहाँ actually में बहुत ठंड है. हमने literally 1.5 hour दिल्ली की इस गर्मी में without fan यहाँ बैठे हुए थे, and we felt it so damn good. So hopefully this was a small aggression की बावली. Yeah, which is quite smelly क्योंकि वो because of that पानी, because of which it's basically the issue. But still, hopefully we have enjoyed. And अब हम जा रहे हैं थोड़ी सी गर्ली शॉपिंग के लिए. We are tired and we are gonna have some food. So guys, see you at the next vlog, and I hope you people definitely missed Arnav, but next vlog में definitely वो रहेगा. Till then, bye. Also, to be like ये कट हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं. हाँ, so also guys, basically who was the king's name was Ugrasen. It was Ugrasen. That's it guys. Up we are going for some shopping, girls shopping. We are done. Okay.
We see you next vlog. Sarojini.
Sikota. Over diog tente to time जब pollution नहीं था. Greenhouse effect, whatever. Greenhouse effect क्या था वो effect का नाम?
कौन सी?
Green. Global.